Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera everyone. Actuators, have you heard about that? No, but do you know what connect your bone to muscle? Then that is the answer. Okay, now what about the one that links your bone into another bone? Ligament, yeah, it is right. Ligament link your bone into another bone, meanwhile tendon attach your bone to a muscle. Oops, I haven't introduced you with myself and my group members. So, we are from group 9 and I am your beloved presenter for this video. I am Hidayatul Amsyar binti Bakar 145404 from School of Education under Science with Education, and I am majoring in Mathematics and minoring in Chemistry. I am second year student of Science with Education. Now, let's know a little bit about my other two fellow workmates. Ainun, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Amsyar. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ainun Akmal binti Rafi. I am a second year student from School of Educational Studies under program Science with Education. I am majoring in Mathematics and minoring in Chemistry. In producing this video, I am a editor. Ayuni, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Ainun. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Izzati binti Asri. I'm from School of Education. I'm a student in Science with Education. I'm majoring in Mathematics and minoring in Chemistry. I'm a second year student. And in producing this video, I'm a scriptwriter. So enjoy the video, everyone.
Now, let's continue. In our body, there are innumerable tendons and ligaments that hold the structure together and keep them stable, so that we can freely make movement with the existence of tendon and ligament. Same goes with a robot. In order for a robot to function well, it needs something to connect one part into another part and then produce a movement of a robot. And the something is, yeah, you get my point. The something is actuators. Actuators is a muscle of robot where the parts convert stored energy into movement. An actuator is a part of a device or machine that helps to it to achieve physical movement by converting energy, often electrical, air, and hydraulic, into mechanical force. In this video, we are being more specific on robotic actuators. Robotic actuators are the device that actually move the robot joints where it produces motion, and it can cause linear motion or rotary motion. The application we used in this presentation is robotic arms. They are a type of mechanical arm that is usually programmable with similar function to human arm. A robotic arm can be a mechanism on its own or a part of complex robot. Okay, now we will see how robotic actuators work. Let's go! An electric motor is an electrical machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The basic working principle of an electric motor is whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences mechanical force. When armature windings are connected to DC supply and electric current set up in the winding, magnetic field may be provided by field winding, which is electromagnetism, or by using permanent magnet having south and north pole. In this case, current carrying armature conductor experience a force due to magnetic field. Since you are focusing more on robotic arm, a typical robotic arm is made up of 7 metal segments joined by 6 joints. The computer controls the robot by rotating individual step motor connected by each joint. Unlike ordinary motors, it moves in exact increments. This allows the computer to move arm very precisely and repeat the same movement over and over again. Normally at the waist position, there is an electric and motors as actuators for robot to make rotational movement. An industrial robot with 6 joints closely resembles a human arm. It has the equivalent shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Typically, the shoulder is mounted to a stationary base structure rather than to a movable body. Okay, you already know and understand how robotic actuators works. So now let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of robotic actuators. Come on! The advantages of robotic actuators are: firstly, robotic actuators have very high dynamic up to 40 kHz. It means that energy that robotic actuators have to do its work is very high, as frequency is inversely proportional to the period, so the robotic actuators can do its work in a small period of time but more energy. Okay, now let's watch this video. From this video, you can see the robot can do many things in short time and how fast and energetic the robot actuators are. But if robotic actuators have very low dynamic, the robot will move in a very long period. Next, robotic actuators also reduce the consumptions of electrical energy. What is the main source of electrical power for a robot? Yeah, batteries. Pneumatic actuators is one type of robotic actuators that reuse the pressured air released by the retracting pneumatic soft actuators instead of venting to the atmosphere. That means when the actuator works, it releases the pressured air, but the pressured air is reused for the next work. Very friendly environment, right? Furthermore, robotic actuators give off no noise where the robot can move without any voice. Imagine how if every time the robot moves and you will hear a sound and a noisy and unpleasant voice. It is very fibrous, right? All things in this world has their pros and cons. Same like robotic actuators, they also have advantages and disadvantages. So just now we already discussed the advantages of robotic actuators. Now this is time for us to discuss and know a little bit about the disadvantages of robotic actuators. First disadvantages is the robotic actuators will easily overheating when use them. There are lots of consumer expression told that the actuators will overheat when they use their actuators. An internal cooling technology such as fan may not be much help that because it would take up space inside the robot and aid weak. Do you know what is soft robot? Soft robot is a robot that made of synthetic materials. Just to let you know, in soft robot, they use a soft robot muscle that can regulate its temperature through sweating. Amazing, right? They are literally same like us. The other disadvantage is when servo motor stop, the motor rotor continues to move back and forth one pulse, so it is not suitable for you to prevent vibration. Yeah, so that's all for the positive and negative effects on using robotic actuators. Do you know that we nearly come to an end? Not realizing it, maybe because you're enjoying our video. Overall, it may be said that actuators have wide application in our daily life. Robotic actuators use advanced concept in control to connect sensors with actuators. Robot can be classified as manipulators, for example, robot arms, mobile robots, or mobile manipulators. It has simplified and automated production process and made many industrial operations simple. Uses of advanced technology and robot will continue in revolutionize product development, manufacturing process, automation, and business modeling.
So this is our reference for making this video, and special thanks for our lecturers, Master and Honda.
So that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video.